Hello smart people and welcome to Instructor Lesson Online tutorial. In this math video tutorial on logarithm, we want to solve this problem in 1 second. Now we have this in decimal form. You need to convert it to standard form before you can be able to solve it appropriately. And some of the way we are taught how to convert decimal form to standard form is to move the decimal point in front of this one or this real number. So if you do that, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That becomes 1 times 10 to the power of, because it's coming from the left to the right, then it goes with negative sign. But if it were to be, the zeros are to be on the right, then it will be positive sign. So because the zeros are 5, you have 1 times 10 to the power of minus 5, which is the same thing to be 10 to the power of minus 5. If 1 multiplies by 10 to the power of minus 5, it will give you 10 to the power of minus 5. But a quick way I also want to follow up this with this is to say, when you just write 1, then move this, when you move this across 5 times, that means you're having, okay, what you have is 0.00001. When you start moving, if I take a step, you just add 0. So that's what this one you have here, that's the one you have in here. So if I take a step, which is 1, I will have 0. That's 1 step. 2 step, another 0. 3 step, another 0. 4 step, another 0. 5 steps, another 0. So you're literally having 1 point. That's this point. The point you move it to this point, nothing is here. That's 1.0 all over. This is 100,000, which is something as 10 to the power of 5. How many zeros you have? 5 zeros. This is something as 1 over 10 to the power of 5. And if you want to convert this from this uh, fraction form to initial form, which you have exponential of this to be 10 to the power of minus 5, you use the negative index of logarithms to achieve this, because the rule is if you have a to the power of minus b, this negative sign will change to 1 over, which is the inverse of a to the power of b. So when you have it like this, you can as well change it to this form, which is what you're seeing here. So straight away we have logarithms of 10 to the power of, what we have as the answer is minus 5. Also, a logarithm that does not have a base is automatically operating on base 10. Take note of that. So this forms a power law of logarithms, that if you have logarithm of 10 to the power of a base b, that this a can come behind, so that I have a log 10 base b. So it's a model. So here we move the 5 behind, so that we have logarithm of 10 to base 10. Keep in mind that the logarithm of a to base a is equal to 1. Is a model you should note. So that way, log 10 base 10 is 1. So we have minus 5 times 1. The result to this will be minus 5. So the answer to this problem is minus 5. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you will get notified. Like this video and make sure to share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.